Hello and welcome to another new listing. Here we are at 4080 4080 Denali in Indianapolis, Indiana. This is Lawrence Township Schools. Come on in here, 3-bedroom, 2 full bath. I'm sorry, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Very nice entryway. So much to see in here. Just built in 2020. Still even has the new house smell. A really nice wall there with an upgraded fireplace. Very open. 9-foot ceilings. Living area, family room, dining area, or you could extend your living area over. Lots of possibilities. Half bath off the kitchen. Center island in your kitchen with the breakfast bar overhang. All one level like we like to see today. Tons of storage options. Lots of counter space. Appliances stay. Dishwasher, double sink, pantry right here. Here's your garage. Here's a 2-car garage. Garage door opener. Again, nice tall ceilings. Great space here. Very ideal floor plan. It is 1,800 square feet. Here's the bathroom, half bath. Now we're gonna take you upstairs. Up the stairs, upgraded the cellar, put together some really nice light fixtures. Carpeted up the stairs. Bedrooms all have carpet. All the rooms have walk-in closets as well. There's light in there. Full bath number 1. Kids bath. Woo. Another bedroom. Excuse me, really good size. Walk-in closet. Very conveniently, here is your laundry room. With the window there, you got lots bright natural light. Obviously everything here, roof, mechanicals, everything's 3 years or less. Here is the master. Great space. Corner windows there, which allows for light in different times of the day. Very nice master bathroom. Again, another large walk-in closet here. It's huge. You have your tiled shower, soaker tub, and of course, for anyone with a spouse or significant other, double sinks are a necessity. Great vinyl flooring. Start walking back through. You can reach us at 317-372-6147 for your own private showing. This is just another quick walkthrough of an awesome new listing we have. Don't think it's gonna last long. We already have one offer on it. Great space. We're listed at $239,900. Downstairs. Really quick walkthrough. You can see this beautiful home. Very open, airy. I love these light fixtures. It's ready for its new owner to call it home. Reach out to us if you have any questions.